Alright, shalom y'all and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to remove the rear door panel on an 04 Expedition and install a new rear door speaker. Okay, what you're going to need to do this are potentially some type of pry tool or pick, or you'll need this or some type of pick tool, something with a nice easy point to get behind something. Alright, so first things you're going to need to do is you're going to want to remove this panel. Alright, you got these two clips, these three clips on the back, and a little plastic one. It's right here. So be careful when you go behind this one not to break that one off. Alright, remove that. Then you're gonna need you're gonna need a Phillips, alright, to get that screw out. Get that screw out. Then you're gonna come down to the bottom with your 7mm socket. This one just fell out, but that's what you're gonna need. See, 7mm socket. Gonna need that to get this one out, and well, the other one fell out too. Oh, well, and that one out over there. Okay, you need that out. Get that out of there. Okay, this is where your pick is gonna come in handy, because you're gonna come behind here to pull this out, which will remove that panel here, and you're going to get out these other two. Okay, so for these two we need star, we're going to need a star driver. Okay, so let me grab that. Alright, so turns out what we will need for that is a T20 Torx bit. Alright. You gotta take these off. Alright. These are the main ones mounting the door to the inside door card to the door. Alright. And we should now be able to lift up and remove the door. You'll have a clip on the back here. You'll want to first press in and release and get that off. Alright. Now with the door card removed, we have access to, okay, the door speakers, which this also looks like it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 other door T20, if I'm not mistaken. These are going to typically, they're going to be, yeah, T20 Torx bits as well. All right, so let's get this out. All right. Those removed, you may have to, oh nope, you don't have to remove the liner there. Okay, and then you have access to the speaker. All right, and we will be back with the new pair. All right, so what we're putting in here are the Kenwood Concert Series KFC C681. That's neither here nor there. This is the important thing you're going to need. Regardless of whatever speaker you decide to choose, you're going to need the Metra 72-5600 Ford speaker harness for 98 and up. Alright, take a picture of that this is what you're going to need to connect whichever one you decide to get. Whether they're better ones than these, you're going to need this harness to adapt to your new speakers, okay? That's the harness right there, so you know what it looks like. Alright, so we take these out of the box. Got these at Best Buy. These ran me about 98 bucks. Again, you don't have to go with these. You can get something cheaper. The wires that come in the box not even going to matter because you actually have the harness there. Alright. However, and shouldn't even matter the screws because we're going to reuse the factory screws. Alright. That's what we're working with here. These 6x9s, let's get a test fit. Just a test fit. Okay. What we got going on here? Okay. Okay. So we have these here, but these are looking like we're going to have to modify these ones because these notches here are not fitting in there. Alright, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to Dremel off these. I'm gonna have to Dremel off these right here. Alright, so let me do that and I'll come right back. Rather than Dremel them off, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just bend them down. I'm gonna just bend them back because this is just aluminum. No sense going through all of that. Plus, what if I want to return these to the store? I might, which I might just. You know what? So let me bend them up. Let's bend these up so that these can sit flush. I'm just gonna because you guys may very well run into this with another type of speaker. Alright, come on. Back over. Alright, so now we're gonna test fit. And voila. Perfect, they fit. Maybe that's what these things were for. Who knows? That might be my guess. That might very well be just what these tabs are for. I didn't read the instructions. They might be meant to be bent in because now it fits perfectly. I probably I got an idea. Yeah, I bet if we bend these out some, these might actually even hold the speaker in place. I bet that's what these are for. Yep. Just like that. They might be meant to just hold the speaker in place. Alright. So now we're going to take our harness, our Metro harness. Alright. That's going to go on the back of here. You're going to watch. This is the positive, the negative. The white is the positive. That's the ground. So we're going to go white through that. Then we're going to go to the black to the negative. Alright. I don't think that goes any farther. We're gonna take out harness, and we're gonna go here with it. And before we button everything up, we are going to do a test. All right. What was that?
All right.
Yep. Okay. And we got sound. So hopefully this helps somebody. Like, comment, subscribe if you found any value in this video. Shalom. Hey, one last thing I want to reiterate. When you take this door panel off, you have these downward facing hooks. Okay? That's why when I took the door off, right? That's why when I took the door off, I had to lift up. Because when you put the door back on, what is that, a beetle board? Anyhow, when you have to put the door back on, you're gonna sit it back in these holes. You're gonna sit it back in there and push down. Let me show you real quick. Let's reconnect that. All right. Find the hole for the door latch. All right. We're gonna put it back over there. We're gonna find the door holes, and we're gonna push down. Make sure you got it in there, okay? And then you're gonna just go back in reverse. Here, screw here. Your two T20 bolts there, and then your two 7mm bolts at the bottom, and then put back on your door lock trim. Okay, just gonna go back on like that. Technically, you could rock like that if you wanted to, but we still have our screws and everything. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment.